Whether it be commercials or the aisles of a pharmacy, we have seen countless vitamins and seemingly random alphabets associated with each one. So in this video, we'll go over what vitamins are, why we need them, and a speedrun of all the essential vitamins that keep us alive. Starting off, vitamins are organic coenzymes, which are substances that assist enzymes in our body to speed up certain reactions. Our bodies can't synthesize vitamins, except for a few, so we need to obtain those micronutrients through the food we eat. There are two main types of vitamins, water and fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins don't get stored in our body and leave the body easily through urine, and we only need them in frequent small doses. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored in our cells and don't leave our body as easily, so it can reach toxic levels if we ingest too much of them. And as we can imagine, a mix of both in a balanced diet is ideal. And now, with the what and the why out of the way, let's do a speedrun of the 13 essential vitamins that we need. Vitamin A is fat-soluble and essential for our vision and immune system. We find this in carrots, eggs, and cheese. Vitamin B1 is water-soluble and essential for converting food into energy and nerve function. We find this in pork, brown rice, and watermelons. Vitamin B2 is water-soluble and essential for converting food into energy in cell development. We find this in milk, eggs, and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B3 is water-soluble and essential for converting food into energy, again, and a healthy skin. We find this in meat, mushrooms, and potatoes. Vitamin B5 is water-soluble and essential for producing lipids and neurotransmitters. We find this in broccoli, chicken, and avocado. Vitamin B6 is water-soluble and essential for making red blood cells and reducing heart diseases. We find this in fish, tofu, and bananas. Vitamin B7 is water-soluble and essential for synthesizing glucose. We find this in whole grain foods, and interestingly, some of this is produced by the bacteria in our intestines. Vitamin B9 is water-soluble and essential for making DNA and new cells. We find this in spinach, peas, and orange juice. Vitamin B12 is water-soluble and essential for our nervous system. We find this in seafood, eggs, milk, and notably not in plant foods. Vitamin C is water-soluble and essential as an antioxidant, which neutralizes unstable free radicals that damage our DNA. We find this only in fruits and vegetables. Vitamin D is fat-soluble and essential for maintaining red blood cell levels and strengthening our bones. We find this in milk and fatty foods, and notably, our skin is able to produce some vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but not to the amount needed. Vitamin E is fat-soluble and essential as an antioxidant as well, but it also protects cell walls. And lastly, vitamin K is fat-soluble and essential for blood clotting. We find this in green vegetables, eggs, and milk. And there we have it. Vitamins are just coenzymes that help our body do things it needs to do. Since our body doesn't really produce any, we need to rely on a healthy diet to make sure that all of our vitamin needs are met, as there are so many essential vitamins with very different functions that we need to obtain every day. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and stay hydrated!